This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the Müller Ayran. Yogurt, water and salt, nothing else is what is written on this particular bottle. And yeah, this is another one of these drinking yogurts, but as opposed to kefir, for example, this one has got salt in it. It is disgusting if you are not used to it and not necessarily like to combine saltiness and dairy stuff, but if you like feta cheese, for example, or if you just have this not just once but maybe twice, there is a good chance that you develop a liking for it, and that's how it was for me. You try it and then I suppose the dice are thrown, a decision is made, and from that point onward you either like it or not. Yeah, a Turkish product, a Turkish style product, just like the kefir being a more Eastern European Slavic product. This one here is a Turkish type one, so it's written here in Turkish, I think. I don't know Turkish, but I do know Müller. Let's take a look around the bottle here. Pause if you want to take a look at that. Pause if you want to take a look at the ingredients list, quite short. It's a beverage with yogurt, drinking water and salt. 60% yogurt, drinking water and table salt. Here we have the nutrition table, and both of that in Turkish as well. Nothing on the bottom, they just have these universal clear bottles that they put one of these wrapper around then, and this one here is luckily still within its best by date. Let us shake this up and open it up. Looks wise, just looks like a dairy beverage, right? It does look a bit different than kefir or others though, because it is more translucent than the others. This one here looks like something that is not supposed to be looking just like that, but it is. It's a bit weird. It's a bit different than most other things, but I assure you this looks just fine. This is supposed to be looking like that. Something that is a bit weird as well about the bottle. I'll close it up again. Maybe I should have showed you that before I opened it up. Usually when you've got drinks and stuff and you press down on the bottles, you have got this certain springiness to it. The Ayran feels a bit weird. It doesn't have the super springiness to it. It feels like the package is open already and there's some air escaping. So just if you get this, see this in the stores and you squish it, yeah, it might feel a bit weird. Of course, take a few others in your hands as well and check if it's not like a single one that's weird and the others feel different, but it's just something to look out for. Something that I found weird when I first got this, because I thought, what's going on? Feels weird. Anyway, let's take the glass right here and pour some of the stuff in. And here we can see that it is not quite like a regular yogurt drink, a lot more watery certainly. You can see when we move the glass here and also when we pour it, the whole, I guess, rheology of this is different than a normal thicker drinking yogurt. A lot more light, a lot more runny than kefir is, and bit different than buttermilk as well. So it is quite different than most other dairy beverages, at least the ones that I'm accustomed to as a German in Germany. Scent-wise, oh my god, I spilled it. I just changed my shorts for today and now they're messed up again. Wonderful. But I should fill this up a bit more next time, the glass, that will help. Scent-wise, it smells like regular natural yogurt with nothing added to it. You don't smell any difference in it, like when it comes to the saltiness of it. Sometimes salty beverages and foods and stuff, they've got a certain scent to them. This one here just smells like regular yogurt, I suppose. Let's go for a taste test then. It's in this weird middle ground between actual drinking yogurt and not that. It is a lot more watery. It does have this specific saltiness, which I at first thought was stupid. Why would you do that? That's disgusting. But when it's hot outside, we do sweat, right? We need electrolytes, and maybe in hotter climates I still wanted to have some dairy beverages, and then just put salt into them, and it helps to keep you hydrated and properly mineralized. So yeah, flavor wise, once you get used to it, it's actually quite alright. You can also see here, excuse the spillage, you can see here on the glass, it does look different than regular drinking yogurt. It's got a different looking pattern here because the entire thing is not 100% just one compound, right? It separates on the wall of the glass here. A lot more runny than the regular drinking yogurt, a lot more thin, and it feels a bit weird. It's got both aspects in the mouth, texture-wise, but sits right in the middle of it. Very different from anything else I've ever had, and quite specific to Ayran in particular, I think. But flavor-wise, yeah, quite simple. Just regular watery drinking yogurt with salt added to it. Quite refreshing actually when this is nice and cold and it's very hot outside, and just have this. For some reason, it makes you feel kind of good, and I like this. Every now and then I sort of alternate between kefir and this, but having this in summer is definitely a very nice thing. So I cannot really say much when it comes to different Ayrans though, so I don't really want to give a rating of this one here. I'm just going to leave it without one, without the review sheet at least. For me personally, I'm giving this an 8 out of 10. I like that it's in this sort of middle ground between a more watery liquid and a drinking yogurt. It doesn't have the stickiness to the tongue like a drinking yogurt has, but it also is quite a bit thicker than water. So this is it's quite interesting of a texture, anything but unpleasant. And I really like this. I don't think I have had other Ayrans before though, so I don't know if others are better than this, if this is a really good one or just on the middle ground. Kefir-wise, Müller actually seems to do a pretty decent job. I had different kefirs and most of them are kind of weird. The one from Dovgan, for example, is just ridiculously foamy. It's just stupid. I don't know. Don't really enjoy this one at all. This one here is fine, and I guess the Ayran is also fine then. So yeah, if you've had this before in other Ayrans as well, let us know in the comment section below what you think about this particular one, and if I should try out a specific brand of this in the future. And also let me know if you had Ayran before at all, and if you liked it or if you didn't like it. Do you like the salt? Do you think it's disgusting? Feel free to give your impression in the comment section below. And I think this is all I have for this particular video for the Müller Ayran. So if you've got a question or a video suggestion, also feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then, bye bye.